Well, everybody, what is it, November 14th? I think it's it must be just under freezing or just around freezing. I haven't done a cold start in a long time. We got some frost on the car, and there's some snow, mentions of snow and all that in the other part of southwestern Ontario. So I thought that I'd just do a nice, nasty, nasty cold start here. I haven't done one in a long time, and this loader, I had to fire it up last night and it was pretty smoky, so it was, you know, you can tell that with this cooler weather, it makes for really good cold starts.